Lesson 46, Reports in MLA Style with Word Drills. Modern Language Association. So again, I'm going to expand the screen size. There's 8 tasks. In the document, double-click in the header. So if you click into the document anywhere or Control F9, to get into the header, it is the where the gray area is up high. So just double-click up above. So it's in that 1-inch top margin, and that gets you into the header. Click again so that you're in the document. You could choose Home and choose Right Align, or Control R will right align. Again, click into the document. And you should be flashing on the right hand side, and you're going to type L name all in caps, and then press spacebar, and then check your work. Continue. In the header area, click so that you're after where you just typed that spacebar, and you're going to put a page number in here. So under header and footer, select page number, choose current position, and then carefully, because you don't want to move it, stay on current position, go to plain number. Up at the top for the title, instead of the student's name in parentheses, select that, and you're going to type Sophia Johnson, and then check your work. Continue. This one we're going to save the document as a particular name as a template. So it's File, Save As, and then over here where you're in Documents, you're just going to add after to keyboarding, progress, space, template. And then in type, click here and you'll select template, word template, and then save. Again, to select into the document, just click anywhere. To select everything, Control A. And that selects everything, whether it's 1 page or 5 pages. With this still selected, you're going to create a hanging indent, so anything that's on a second line will be indented a ½ inch or a full inch. So choose the paragraph dialog box launcher. Under special, click the down arrow and choose hanging, and then instead of a ½ inch, increase it to 1 inch. And just to show you in the preview, what happens with the hanging indent, the first line remains at the left margin, but any other lines following will be indented a ½ inch or full inch. Okay, thank you.